You're not drowning in work because there's too much to do. You're drowning because you're doing too many things that don't matter. In the next 2 minutes, you'll see why eliminating waste often makes teams slower at first, and why that's exactly how you get faster. Most teams think waste is about lazy people or bad tools. It's not. Waste in product development is mostly invisible, and it usually looks like being responsible. Endless status meetings feel responsible. Detailed upfront plans feel responsible. Saying yes to every stakeholder feels responsible. But all of that can be pure waste. Here's the twist. The biggest waste is starting work you can't finish soon. Every half-done feature, half-decided spec, and half-baked idea is a tax on your brain. You're paying that tax every day in context switching, rework, and confusion. That's why you feel busy and still behind. The more you start, the more invisible queues you create. Work waits in design queues, review queues, testing queues, deployment queues. While it waits, it rots. Requirements change, people forget decisions, and you redo the same thinking. That rework is pure waste, and it's completely normal across companies. It isn't rocket science. Too much work in progress makes everyone look active and everything moves slower. So what actually makes you efficient? Not more tools, not more dashboards, not more ceremonies. It's brutally limiting how many things are in progress at once. One team I worked with cut their active tickets from 25 to 6. For 2 weeks, they felt slower and a bit exposed. Then cycle time dropped by half, bugs went down, and planning got boring in the best way. The pattern is simple and repeatable. Shrink the number of things you're doing, and you shrink the amount of waste you create. Here's a practical way to try this without a big reorg. Step 1. List every active piece of work your team has right now. Features, experiments, refactors. Quick fixes everything. Step 2. Circle the top 3 that actually change user behavior or reduce real risk. Not nice to have, not someone asked for it, but real impact. Step 3. Pause or park everything else for 1 week. Not forever. Just 1 week. During that week, measure only 2 things. How long it takes to finish something once you start it, and how often you have to redo work because of new info. You'll probably notice fewer surprises, fewer "wait, what are we doing here?" moments, and less mental drag. That feeling of calm is not an accident. It's what less waste feels like. The open secret is that high-performing teams don't work harder. They just protect their focus and keep less half-done work lying around. Eliminating waste isn't about squeezing people. It's about refusing to carry work you're not actually finishing. If you feel busy but ineffective, don't ask, "How do we do more?" Ask, "What can we stop starting?" When you see that clearly, efficiency stops being a mystery and starts being a choice.